Starting an online business isn't hard. See, what makes it hard is when you don't know what you're doing. That's when you lose money and you eventually fail. And the numbers, they don't lie. 25% of businesses fail within the first year. Half fail within the first 5 years. And by year 10, 65% of them are gone. That means only a third of businesses actually make it. So in this video, I'm gonna break down what's killing most of you out there, and more importantly, how to avoid these traps. So first, we're gonna start with mockups. See, your pictures, they suck. Seriously. You've gotta remember something. When someone shops online, they're not in a store. They can't touch and feel that product. They can't try it on. The only thing they know is what you show them in that picture. And if your photo's trash, then guess what? They're not gonna buy it. See, this is marketing 101. You've gotta create the illusion that they're in the store with that product. You've gotta make them feel like they're touching it themselves, using it, and imagining it in their life. Here's a really big mistake I see all the time. See, people throw a random lifestyle shot up, but it doesn't even match the way the shirt should be worn. If it's a lounging shirt, then don't show somebody running around a city in it. You need to show them on a couch, binge watching Netflix, being comfortable. See, this is how you trigger an emotional connection. It makes someone go from, that's nice, to I need that right now in my life. There's a massive difference between the shirt that people actually wear out and the ones that people wear lounging at home. And if your mock-up doesn't make that clear and you use the wrong one, then you're gonna lose them every time. So make sure you pay attention to the way that you're actually laying things out. And this goes for anything, whether you sell mugs, tote bags, even cell phone cases. Put it in a scene where it would actually be used, so that they can start imagining themselves with it. Now, next up is your designs. And I'm just gonna say it right now. Most of them are shit. Ever since AI tools like ChatGPT and Midjourney came out, everybody thinks that they're some sort of graphic designer now. And let's be real, how many ghost shirts have you seen for Halloween coming out now? The same basic ghost in the middle of a shirt with the word boo. Do you really think that you're going to sell out? Do you think that stores are gonna start hanging signs outside saying, sorry, we sold out of all those ghost shirts? No. It's basic, it's lazy, it's boring. And if you wanna make real money, you have to dig deep. That means using research tools like Everbee. Look at trends, figure out what's actually rising, what's dying, and the designs around that. For example, witches, they're hot right now. And not just because of Halloween, but because Gothic culture has been trending for over a year. That means you can still make money even after October. But here's the deal. You can't just prompt witch into Midjourney and call it a day. You have to research the actual design and style that's selling. And what does that buyer actually want on their shirt or item? What makes them take out their wallet and click buy? And here's the harsh truth. If you're gonna wait for me to spoon feed it to you with the exact designs, guess what? You're failing. Because you're already refusing to do the research yourself. That's what separates winners from losers. And I did a whole video on this. Putting the time and effort into something, doing the work, understanding what you're designing. That's where you become better than the rest. Now listen, I did a whole video on this. So if you want, you can check it out. And you will learn how to track trends properly. You will see what's popular, what's going up, what's going down, and how to make sure that you're on the right track. Now, the third thing is understanding your customer. If you don't know who you're selling to, then you're kind of screwed. See, everything you design and your mock-ups, your ads, everything, it all has to come down to a specific person. A grandma doesn't shop the same way a 25-year-old does. Their searches are different, their styles are different, and guess what? Their buying habits are different. If you don't know who your target customer is, then you're just throwing shit at a wall and hoping something sticks. And eventually, that kind of randomness catches up with you and you lose every time. You've got to ask yourself, who am I selling to? Is it single moms with baby boys? Or maybe it's grandmas with 7 grandchildren? Or how about cat lovers glued to TikTok screens all night watching funny videos of cats? See, every one of those groups is different. And if you're not dialed into that difference, then you're never going to scale. You'll be out of business super fast without understanding why. Now, the fourth problem, no strategy, no long-term plan. See, if you're only thinking about tomorrow or next week, then you're already done. You've got to think years ahead. What is your end goal? Are you building to sell your brand one day? Or are you just trying to get into retail? Or how about this? Are you just chasing fast money? Because if all you're doing is just saying, I want to make money, then you're asking the wrong questions right from the start. See, the questions you need to ask is, how much money do I want to make? And what steps do I need to take over the next year, 3 years, 5 years, and even 10 years? That's how you build a real business, not a hobby that burns out in 6 months. This is how you beat the statistics and you don't turn into that 65% that fail within the first 10. Now, the last thing is about money. See, it's not going to save your brand or your product. Too many people out there thinking if they throw ad dollars at it, it will eventually work. But if your design is trash and your mockups look like garbage, or you don't even know who your customer is, then no amount of Facebook ads is ever gonna fix that. You're just gonna burn through money. And then you sit there depressed, wondering why everyone else online's crushing it when you can't even make a sale. It's because they put in the time to figure out who their customer is. They researched their designs. They figured out their mockups, their entire strategy. It wasn't luck, they had a plan. So before you spend a single dime, dial into who your customer is. Create real designs that connect with them. Put an effort into your mockups. Have a long-term strategy. See, that is the foundation of making money online. And if you don't start with the basics, the previous 4, then you're just gonna waste all of your money and you're not gonna understand why. See, everyone watching this right now, you all have the same opportunity. But if you're lying to yourself thinking your half-assed designs and half-assed mockup is gonna make you into a millionaire, then you're wasting your time. You need to take a step back. See the way that you shop. Ask yourself, would I actually buy what I'm even listing? And if your answer is no, then fix it until it becomes a yes. And don't stop until you do. If you have any questions, please leave me a comment below. You know I love to hear from you. And thank you so much for watching. Talk to you soon.